Coligen China Corporation, founded in 1993, aims to provide safety driving solution. Focus on intelligent driving and sensing infusion technology. As one of top global ADAS solution providers, Coligen utilizes ultrasonic, camera, and microwave technologies for L1 to L5 autonomous driving. In 1993, ultrasonic technology for parking assist. In 2002, as the first domestic parking sensor launched into FA. In 2006, qualified as Volkswagen supplier. In 2015, microwave radar launched into FA H5 car model. In 2019, a round view system launched into Toyota. In 2021, ultrasonic transducer launched into Hyundai Mobis. With RAN-D centers in Zhuhai, Chengdu and Xiamen. Coligen invests a lot in engineering to maintain its advanced technology. Owning independent automated production line design and manufacturing capabilities, Coligen has built fully automated production lines for ultrasonic sensors, camera modules, and microwave radars. Realizing production automation, informatization, and intelligence. The main cooperation customers include FA, SAIC, Dongfeng, FA Volkswagen, Toyota, Geely, BYD, GACIN, Weimar Auto, Baidu, Meituan, Hyundai Mobis, etc. Coligen was awarded as Demonstration Enterprise in the One-Stop Application Program in 2019. National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise. Guangdong Province Intelligent Manufacturing Pilot Demonstration Project. Guangdong Province Engineering Technology Research Center. And undertook the responsibility of Guangdong Province Automatic Parking Assist Smart Sensor RAN-D and Industrialization Project. Coligen is committed to the research and development and manufacturing of intelligent driving sensors and ADAS solution. Adheres to technology innovation, big customer strategy, and strives to become a world-class supplier for intelligent automotive safety parts.